It's the 4th of July weekend, and what's more American than a hot dog, some homemade mac and cheese, and some beans. We're at a campsite. It is extremely loud outside, so I apologize for that, but I'm starving, so let's dig in. Nothing hits better than just like a hot dog and some ketchup. Oh, such a good combination. Last bite. Cheers. I love a peppery mac and cheese. Alright, my loves, that was absolutely delicious. Let me know down below what your favorite go-to 4th of July meal is, because mine has to be this. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.